Hello guys, back sa mga videos sa today. We're going to play Tower. So otherwise guys, kung ano sa mga videos, we're gonna make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also hit more videos. Because of this girl trying to just cheat, but I don't know. So I'm going to leave this game first. I'm going to leave this game. Okay, this one is easy task. So I'm going to play this. Okay. I think it's avocado guys. I think it's avocado. So otherwise, we're going to beat that game. Okay, this is the easy tower, I think. So I'm going to apply this game. Come on. I can't choose, but I need to choose whatever I want. I don't know what to see. Wait, what's snow tower? I think. What's that? A snow tower? Okay, go! I keep lagging. Bro, I look like I look like. Stop it! Stop! Stop! Stop it! How can I do it? Wait, I wanna beat it. What? How? Bro. Okay, so we're going to beat that. How can I do it? Oh my god. Okay. Oopsie. Oh my god, it's easy, guys. I think it's easy. I can now do it first, I think. Wait, I should just do it first. Oh wait, let me. Oh! How can I do it? How can I do it? First. Wait, I should just. Wait, can I do it on real life? Wait, I should just do it on purpose. Also, I'm going to climb the ladder. I should go awesome. What? How? Possible? How? Next game, I need to be easy. I don't know, guys. I can't speak. You know what? Just go. I don't know. Next is the melon tower, there, guys. I need to play melon pain tower. I don't know what to talk about this, guys. I'm going to be joining server, I think, because I'm getting old. Because I don't know what to talk about. So, anyways. Okay. I think I wanna beat that game. Bro, what's that? Did I disconnect? Please. Please. Oh my god, I wanna beat that game. Stop lagging. Stop lagging. Stop. Oh, stop. Stop lagging. Stop lagging. I need to beat that game. Stop. You know what? I'm going to remove my lagging. Oh, mama. No. Ugly. Sorry. Ay, ito sa mistake na. Beat me. You. Yoing. Yoing. Come on. It is so easy. This is easy, right? Um. Um. Hey. Back. Please, I'm sorry. Um, um, hey, bacon. What the heck, but hey, what are you doing? Stop doing butterfly. Hey, you, being butterfly. You guy, you're trying me. I'm going to beat you. I'm going to beat you. I wanna be faster. I wanna be. Bro, I keep falling. Okay, don't make me lag or else I'll leave. Leave. I'm going to leave at the 0%. I'm going to give you 0. Then I'm going to do 10. Bro! Stop. Bro, one slow. Hey, you. Bro, how? Okay. Oh, wait, I should just. What is that, Alan? Wait, I should just unfriend me. They just unfriend her, I guess. Wait, oh, this guy, la. This guy, he's annoying. I think I like him. I like her. No! Stop it, please. I wanna be a friend. Okay, let's go. Beat the impossible game, I guess. Okay, let's beat that game. This one. Yay! I win. Okay. Hey, girl. Hey, no, she left. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to sleep. I got this. So anyways, guys, kung wala na siya mo video subscribe, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways, guys, goodbye.